Welcome to my channel.
Welcome back, my friends, to my channel. Today we'll be making neck scarf. This is usually used in traditional outfits when it's made with this fabric. This fabric is called Isiagu. So you can see that the length is 60 inches. If your own is not up to that, maybe you can cut and join it to make it long. It's better long than short. Then you get your fringe. So the length is 60 by 14. 60 by 14. So when you measure this half, it will be 7. So your fringes should be 7 inches length in length. Yeah, so you can see that. I'm gonna fold the edges so that I'll put the fringes before I sew it. You can use pin to pin it down if you want, but I'm gonna be using glue instead to hold it because sometimes these pins tend to poke me before I finish what I'm doing. So I'm gonna hold it with look at the pin. You can use pin if you want to, but I'm gonna use glue. You can use fabric glue or tacky glue. This tacky glue is good for most fabrics. So I'm gonna put it in the middle. Make sure it's the middle. You can see the way I measured it before to get the middle. Then you need to get another 7 inches for the other edge. This other end of the scarf. You do the same thing you did on the other side. Iron it, pin it down, or glue it like I did. Whichever one that works for you. I'm gonna eyeball it because I know where the middle is. Then I press it down. This glue is hard, so you can, fortify it better with iron, but you don't really need to because it will dry really quick. When you finish, you turn it inside out, take it to the sewing machine. I don't really like to show this area of sewing machine because I don't think anybody learns anything from just watching the machine being run down the fabric. So anyway, when you do it, then you turn it inside out. Don't forget that the fringes are not sewn yet, but the fact that we have folded it and ironed it makes it easier for us to sew it. So when you do this, you make sure that the stitches that you sewed before is in the middle. That's the purpose of putting that fringes in the middle. So iron it all the way to the other end to make sure everything is set in the center, smooth and clean. So when you are done, then you bring these edges to sew it all the way down. This time you can use your pin to make sure everything is aligned right. As you're watching, please use this time to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Like it and comment to help boost this channel, okay? Thank you. Yeah, it's done. So when you finish, then you iron it. And you press it really hard to make sure that place is flat. When it's flat, then you can fold it fold it and iron it to make it really crisp. This is the time you trim out all the excess thread to make your work look a little more professional. You can see these threads hanging out. Cut them because they can mix up with the fringes. You will think they are the same. They are not. See, there's more to cut. Trim it out. Fold it. I have like 4 more to make because it was really an order clients. So this is one. I have like 3 or 4 more to make, and I made them. Then I stick my label as usual, package them, and get them ready to mail. Thank you for watching, and see you back again soon. Bye bye.